How's it going, Extreme Motorsports fans? Today we did a bunch of work on this 2014 Ford Transit Connect. Started off with a CompuStar single button remote start. Hold the key fob until it blinks. Puts the car into start mode. You can click the fob twice to unlock it. We also added a Sony AV5500 factory backup camera. Has Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, both connected with the wires hidden and tucked in the glove box. Sirius XM ready. Great little unit. A whole bunch of work done. Thanks for watching.